Child, Tiffany Smith said she got her chains and her ropes ready for when they take back this segregation law. Tiffany, all I'm going to tell you is you might get away with that shit in the North. You might even get away with that shit in the East. Probably get away with it in the West, but you fuck around and head I-75 South and cross over that Georgia-Florida line. Baby, you, the ropes, the chains, Mima, Papa, Lil Kai, Lil Phillip, Lil Casey, and Lil Amanda ass is grass. I can guarantee you mess around and write a check that you and Mima can't cash. That's your ass, Tiffany. I'm just letting you know now. I don't know who y'all think we are. I ain't my great grandma. Baby, we have businesses coming to clean y'all house now. We ain't doing that shit because y'all tell us to. So the fact that y'all think we just gonna voluntarily go back to that shit, Tiffany.
Gone are the days where black people never used to defend themselves because they were slaves in the plantains, picking cotton, had slave masters that told them what to do, what to eat, how to sit, what to wear, how to talk, how to walk, how to live life. Gone are those days. I think white people are failing to understand that. And I'm talking to the cis whites. They are failing to understand that these days, black people have power. They have a voice. And if anything, they will stand up for themselves and they will shake you up.
Somebody explain to me why what's her name, Tiffany Smith or whatever, lady. We is not back that. We ain't in my grandmama them days no more. You come around here playing with us, we gonna whoop you like you stole something, lady. Don't come over here playing with this new generation, girl. We ain't no slaves.
Come on in, Tiffany Smith. They must took her post down. Because I told you when things get trending, this is when you need to talk about it. Now, I went on Tiffany Smith's page and trying to find her page because she says she cannot wait to bring the segregation back because she still got her chain and her whips. I wish you would. I can't find her post anywhere. So if anybody cop her post, please send it to me by messenger. This white girl says that she can't wait to bring it back because she still have her chains and whip. Baby, you thought TikTok brought you up. But TikTok, we getting ready to bring you down. We already ain't marching with you on April the 5th. You must forgot. Where you from. You better go talk to your mama, your daddy. Let me erase that. You probably want to talk to your niece and nephew to let you know that this is a whole nother different generation. Y'all go find Tiffany Smith. Find her comment where she said that she still got her whoops in. They say, Tiffany, you wrong for that. We can ready to bring you down, girl. You can't say that. You better go talk to your nieces and nephew or your sister and brother, somebody that below you. Ain't nobody doing this stuff no more. We can't wait for segregation. I can't wait to tell you to go back to the corner. I can't wait till you ask us, can we come to your restaurants and your malls and your stores and shop with us? I can't wait. This is what they say she said. Go find it. Tiffany Smith.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Datskuna Esther. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this entire Miss Karen Smith comment. Now, in the previous video I talked about, I was showing you what white women say. White people, they came out and they were defending themselves and they're like, hey, we are one people and da-da-da-da. But I wanted to show you this side of black people. Now, because I feel like we never see enough this side of black people, because most especially lately, black people have been in the back like, hey, let's chill. Let's leave this orange man do what he want to do for his people. But then when his people try to cross the line so much, black people will come for you. And they will not play with you.
Tiffany Smith, girl, come here. Come sit down. Let me talk to you real quick. Because it's clear that you done lost every part of your mind. You got chains and ropes ready for us, girl? That's cute. But we got burners and blickies ready for you. Ready for anybody that's ready to step. Okay? And let me go ahead and just explain to you real quick. We ain't the North. We ain't the East. And honestly, I've seen a few people from the South make videos, so you can't do it there. But let me tell you about the West Coast, cuz we ain't on that. You bring that fool ass shit up here or pump anybody's head up to get up and think that they gonna step. Baby, your family is gonna be making posts on Facebook the next day talking about how y'all made plans and how y'all just spoke and how you guys were supposed to kick it. Don't get put on the shirt.
Listen, Tiffany. Now, I heard you say you ready to get them ropes and chains. Or you getting them for you or me? Because if you bring them this way, you going to go back in ropes and chains. You feel what I'm saying? So you better make sure who you bring it for. You bring them for me or you bring them for you. You, me, okay? So, because listen, all us brothers and sisters going to stand together that's for the right. And when I say brothers and sisters, I'm talking about all races that want the world to be kinder, love each other more, be there for each other more, show compassion, show empathy. That's the kind of world I want. And that's the kind of world it's going to be. It ain't going to be none of that stuff way back then. It ain't going to be nothing like that. It's two choices. Either the world ain't going to be here, period, or it's going to be a good world one day, a great world, where nobody's evil, like this evil that's in the White House. And he got y'all, y'all really showing y'all true colors, but you ain't fooled me no way. You did not fool me. Do you feel me? You did not fool me. So, honey, I seen that when Obama was running, and I know he had a lot of support of all races that's in America. But boy, you seen the wolves in sheep clothing. All the racist comments before they just not got it where Mark Zuckerberg got to where you supposed to have free speech. Where they took the free speech away, you get blocked, you get in Facebook jail, whatever the case may be. Certain things you say, okay? But listen, it's gonna be two worlds. It's gonna be a beautiful world or a great world, or a world where nobody exists. It's only gonna be two. So you better you better pick which choice you want. Because I'm picking the world that's where everybody gonna love each other. And everybody gonna be there for each other. And everybody is gonna accept each other's different ways of doing things. And we may do that one thing that we all do to get something done. All three, or all four, or all five people might do it different. But you still working to get that one thing done. It's just y'all doing it different. So it's nothing wrong with learning about each other culture. If you don't understand something, ask about it. Because I'm going to be honest with you. Black folks is some loving and forgiving folks now. They got some God in them now. So, they want to make it seem like, oh, we this and we that. Oh, they aggressive. They this and they that. Well, guess what? If we aggressive, it's in our DNA. All we know to be is aggressive. Just like what we talking about here. Now, you think we're going to just sit down and cry? Or just let somebody just come on, put shackles on our hand and take us off? Y'all think we're going to do that? That ain't going to happen. Before I be a slave, I die first. And that's everything. I'm not going to be no slave. And I'm not going to have no slave. I'm not going to treat nobody like no slave. I would never do nothing like that. But for all y'all people that's riding with Tiffany and y'all high-fiving each other and doing that dumb dance that Trump be doing, guess what? Y'all better make sure y'all know what y'all doing. Y'all better make sure you know what you're doing. Because if you come for us, you coming for a lot of people. Do you realize you're going to be coming for more than just the black race? You're going to be coming from your own color race. You're going to have people coming from everywhere. People that's rocking with each other, that's loving on each other, no matter what color we is. Do you think you're going to be able to beat all of us? I don't think so. Because it's going to be more of us than you. It's going to be more of us than you. Because look, we got a united front. We got a lot of people. Maybe y'all might have a few people on y'all side, but the good side is what's going to prevail. We all know that. Good is going to prevail. So Tiffany, you might well just hang it up. You might well get on TikTok and tell everybody that you sorry you said it and please forgive you. You might well get on there and say it. But now we might forgive you now. Like I said, we might forgive you. But I don't know. I can't promise you nothing. But you better get on here and tell these people that you sorry. Cause your name gonna be coming up for a little, a good little while.
Y'all, anybody who has common sense would sense the energy that's coming out to the world when it comes to white people knowing their places. Them raid to the cis white people knowing their places is a very important and crucial thing that they need to do in 2025. No, because if the orange man comes out and then he says he wants segregation, black people are done telling you, bring it on, do your segregation. And black people are not even going on the streets ranting, oh, we will do this. No. They're like, hey, bring it on. Let's go to our own schools. Let's, support our own businesses. Let's have our own economies. But then they want to take it a step further and be petty and be racist. And black people were like, you know what? No, this time around, sis. Actually, we're going to use you as an example to show your people that we ain't playing this time around.